So this is actually a video from the award ceremony that was actually given to the Labour Party National Chairman, Sir Julius Aburi, in Benin Delta State, and His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi was invited. Also, the Deputy Governor of Abia State was also invited. They were all present at that particular event. Now, His Excellency gave an absolute speech. I'm talking about Mr. Peter Obi. He gave a very resounding and a renowned peace speech from that particular one, which he said in general that nobody is a saint, including himself. Now, the reason why he used that word was the governor of Abia State actually reacted, brought out information that somewhere in Abia State, they found dead bodies of over 15 people due to kidnap victims and all of that. They were discovered in the state. And His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi, reacted to that particular said story. Now, he reacted to the story and a lot of Nigerians took it upon him. Well, before we go into the reactions from His Excellency, let's watch this video about what he actually said concerning nobody being a saint in Nigeria.
There's nothing wrong with Nigeria. Nigeria has one of the best in terms of land, one of the best in terms of weather, one of the best in terms of God-given resources, and one of the best people. The only thing God has not given Nigeria is leadership. We must stop people from stealing public money. It is a must. We must stop people from wasting public money. It is not their private money. And all of us are involved. We must not celebrate them. Please join in building a better Nigeria. We must defeat our children a better place. We cannot defeat them in Nigeria as it is today. Otherwise, we're going to defeat them anarchy. And that's what we are suffering.
Now, you clearly heard what he said there on that particular one. You heard him. Of course, no Nigerian is actually a saint. We all have our flaws. But our collective effort to making this country great and coming up with great ideas is what really matters. Now, let's read the tweet that actually caused that particular commotion. He said, I read the bone-chilling story coming out of Abia State where over 80 bodies were reportedly recovered around the cattle market with about 20 headless decomposing bodies. This level of barbarism and extremely cruel act reflect how insecure our environment has been. It unearths how insecurity has continued to ravage many parts of the country, taking innocent life and killing the economy. I thank the Abia State Governor, Dr. Alex Oti, for taking such a bold step against insecurity in the state. This is highly emulatable. I recall facing a similar situation in 2013 as the governor of Anambra State. I was accompanying President Goodluck Jonathan to an official engagement outside the country where I received the sad report of about 35 decomposing bodies floating on Ezu River, Anambra State. I had to leave everything to rush back to the state to attend to the situation and ensure that order was restored in the vicinity. Investigation was immediately commenced with autopsies conducted before the federal government took over the process and asked the state government to hands off. Security of lives and property remains the primary duty of any government and key to any meaningful development we hope to experience as a nation. We must therefore prioritize it. I encourage government at all levels to make more effort in combating insecurity in the nation. This is coming from Peter Obi. Oh, so he also had a similar situation in 2013 while he was the governor of Anambra State. Well, some people said he never reacted to that particular incident, and that was why he gave that response. Now he's clearing us here that he was back to the country and he looks into that issue. Well, the governor of Abia State is actually one person that he has proven himself that he's not just here to talk and, you know, make the people feel at home. And you could see how engaged he has been in the past 6 months or thereabout, putting a lot of effort and ensuring that lives and properties in the state are properly taken care of. Anyway, that's the video I brought to you here today. Now, this other one is a clip of the highlight of what happened at the award ceremony that happened in Benin City. A special congratulations to the Labour Party National Chairman and every other person. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Ensure you drop a comment. What do you think about this whole story? Do you think that these guys are really putting effort to ensure that security, the Nigeria of today is properly secure, or do you think there are extra measures to be put? Now the Supreme Court judgment is over, so it is time to face the reality of what we are into as a country and, you know, take care of ourselves. Enjoy these clips from the highlights.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Of the revolutionary movement in Sub-Saharan Africa is in the house. Mr. Peter will be your president you voted for is in the house. Later we will be able to give you round of applause. The man political ideology as revolutionary is black nation in Africa.
Thank you. Can we settle down?